All right, been making some cutting boards lately. This is a piece of Ambrosia Maple. We have this design here with the handle. I'm gonna give that to my mom. Gonna ship that in the mail tomorrow. My wife said, why don't you make a round one? So I did a round one for her today. I love the grain in the wood that is caused by the ambrosia beetle. Gets in there, creates a fungus. This wood has been kiln dried, so there's no bugs in there anymore to worry about. And conditioned it here with the butcher block conditioner with some natural waxes. All food grade material. These are for sale, 50 bucks a piece. Grain and coloring could be different, made to order. I hope you like, subscribe to my channel, follow along. Against the grain, working out of a little blue shed. My wife calls it the grumpy woodworker. Anyway, there we go. Hope you guys like it. Stay tuned, more to come. Thanks.